Hey guys, it's Bo, and today I'm gonna be mailing myself to Subway! Look at my box. Don't judge the box, cause ow, my hair! Oh gosh! Come on, camera, focus. To Subway! So I'm gonna get in the box and tape it, and I'll come back when I'm in the box. Yeah. Into the box. Okay, we're in the box. Looks like a box. It's a box. It's a box. So we're in the box. I got some pudding. Come on, pudding. Got some pudding. Marshmallows. Yeah, I dropped. Got marshmallows. Hey, where'd my cookies go? No, Mom, you should. Oh, there are my cookies. I thought my mom could keep me in without cookies. I got cookies. And most importantly, something to watch YouTube on. And a way to keep time. So, I'm gonna come back when I'm in the UPS car, I guess. Whoa. Okay, we're in the car. Yep. That's more like it. Whew. So, I'm gonna chill out, and I'll come back. Wait. Oh my gosh, we're really far from my house. I did not think this through. What am I gonna do? The phone. I have a phone. I have a phone. I have a phone. I can call my mom when I'm at Subway. So I'm not gonna be completely lost in whoever knows where I'm going to be. So I'm gonna come back when I'm in the next place. Yeah. I think we're in a city. Let me check. We're in New York. I hope it's not too far. I hope this subway isn't too far, so I'll come back. Whoa. I think oh my, we're in a plane. I don't think I can make it too much longer. Guys, I don't think I can make it too much longer in this torture box. My food is almost gone, and I'll come back to update. Please comment, share, subscribe. I don't think I'm gonna make it to Subway, guys. Oh, what is that now? I'm just not gonna film anymore. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in my next video.